Hello everyone, so we're going to be going through each of these pages in each of the videos, so it should be a little playlist you can work through. But we know that AEB is 6x plus 18, so if I color code that. And then if I know that CD, 11x minus 17 is this portion here, well, since chords are congruent, we know that this arc is congruent. So I know that the measure of, not an angle, BD is 2 times 11x minus 17. And I know that since the central angle, since E is the center, the measure of arc AB is going to be 6x plus 18. So to find the measure of ADC, so it's this intercepted arc, so we are looking for this arc divided by 2 is going to be that angle. Okay, so those are the relationships we're looking for there. So then let's find x. So we know that's going to ABD equals 180 degrees. So we set up this equation, and we get 22x minus 34 plus 6x plus 18. Solving for x, we get 180, 28, and minus. So that's 196 if I am doing my math correctly. Let's just make sure I am. Yep. And that number, 196 divided by 28, is going to be equal to 7. So that's what x equals. So we need to add together arc BC and arc AB to figure out what that's going to equal, or we could just subtract that. So the measure of arc AC is going to be 7 times 6. So that's 42 plus 18. 60, and then BC is going to be 77 minus 17, so that's another 60. So that's going to be 120. And then we divide that by 2. It's 60 degrees. So hopefully that was helpful. For example 2, now we're going to be interchanging between the different relationships. So the first thing you're going to want to do is mark off the different arcs that we know. So we know PS is going to be 50. We know VW is going to be 135. We're trying to find WY. So the things that is in question is the red, and that's going to be right there. So that's what we're trying to find. We do know that, don't want to miss this detail, we have tangency. T is inside circle R, with QP is tangent to circle T. So just finishing this up, we're going to be able to know that if we take the inscribed angle, PQS, okay, so this angle and this arc, this is the inscribed, this is going to be half of this arc. So then we know this measure. So then all that we have to do for finding YW is solve for Vy. So Vy minus the measure of VW over 2 needs to equal 25. So solving that up, we get the measure of Vy minus 135 is equal to 50. So the measure of Vy is going to be equal to 185. From that point, we're going to have to solve for this for YW. So the measure of YW is going to be equal to 360 minus the 185 minus the 135. So a little quick calculation there so I don't mess that up. That's going to put the measure of WY to be 40 degrees. And there we go. So that's the first video. I know that first one took a little bit longer, but go to the next video if you want to see more solutions.